He don't put many.
Don't judge because I'm the one who will make you up. What's up, Trixie family? Here today, we're gonna be doing a makeup. But this makeup, char, ikaw man dapat imo na channel, go.
We'll be doing a
Boring
makeup
po ni
challenge.
mga YouTuber, oy. So, today I am her sister. I'm not really into makeup.
Nana mo na sa
So,
thumbnail.
today I'm gonna be doing her makeup. And since I don't know how to do makeup, I'm gonna make her
A makeup.
ugly.
So we have
What's the first?
makeups or
This is our makeup kit. It's so very small.
This is just a school makeup, okay?
I don't know which
all the
one is
makeup.
going to be the first one. So, first thing in my hand, that will be the makeup that I'm gonna be putting her first. Shuffle, shuffle, shuffle. Shuffle. Shuffle, shuffle.
Don't pick.
What is this?
Blush on.
Blush on. The first thing I'm gonna be putting in her is the blush on. It's named Anne Flower Tender. Hi, Anne. Inside this is, oh my god, is a pink.
And there's a bulldog.
So
Means that's the molds.
this one just fell, so I'm gonna be putting this with the dirt.
Hey, use this.
I'm gonna be putting her first. I blush. I blush? What?
You're so taka-taka. It's not eye blush.
Brush. So what am I gonna use?
Blush.
I should choose
Brush.
because I don't know how.
No!
Oh my god, don't teach me.
Don't touting me. He don't put many.
Don't judge because I'm the one who will make you up.
Gonna make me look pretty. Oh my god, you know English like. Oh no! Dapat di ko makakita.
Ay, pagtanaw.
Dapat di
Your
ko
breath
makakita.
sinks.
Hey, you're sundog-sundog with Bretman Rock.
Wait, huh?
Don't copy Bretman Rock and Mila play out.
I just said that because I smell your
You have many
breath.
kiki in your brace. What's the English of kiki?
Kiki, do you love me?
What's the English of kiki?
Don't cover.
I don't wanna watch.
So, I think I'm done with the blush.
I don't wanna watch my face.
Hey! What is
You're done with the
this?
blush.
White Beauty? I don't know this. Oh my god.
You're done with the blush.
So, I think this is...
Sige, mabash sa niyo ba yung mga artig yung story? English.
Is this foundation?
That's a baby cream. Please read.
Is this okay?
Uy, yung managi ka sa blush.
I don't care. This one is the second one that came into my hand.
No!
Right? Ever been.
What a disaster. Uy, ang blush.
This,
The blush is ruined.
we will polish it later to make her even more ugly. I mean uglier. More ugly. Okay, Kon. Do you don't have
Do you don't have? I have
kuan.
stippling brush. Use the stippling
no
brush.
blender?
Stippling brush lagi. Or kanino?
No, I'm gonna choose.
Foundation brush.
Okay, so I'm gonna use this foundation brush.
Ayun na lang na
She
kanina.
said, oh my god! Ikaw na yung nag-make up sa yourself. You're making up yourself. Making up? Oh, by the way, it's the 24th of December right now, and
There's no internet.
there's no internet. That's
That's
why we're
We
just
decided
filming.
to make.
We're just filming. I feel like my hand covered it, so
Why did you put blush on?
let's
Don't-
replay.
Why did you blush on?
Face here, girl.
Do you want me to eat the makeup so that I'll be beautiful inside? You don't need to
Inside?
because I'm already beautiful inside.
Oh my god. We're just making fun, guys. Maybe you'll hate us. Today is Christmas, but we received a really bad news from our neighbors. We saw their house burnt, and it's so big. So next one, I'm gonna be putting blush on again.
Oh my god!
Nephew.
Wait, nephew.
Terracotta
Niece,
blusher. Yeah.
That's our niece.
So I'm gonna use all of it because I don't know which is beautifuler. Ooh, I like this. So right now I'm gonna draw her eyebrows. But you already drew, so
I just have thick eyebrows, so just put a little.
oh my god.
You know you're being serious. Oh my god.
Oh my god.
Don't start there.
Where to start? Don't teach me. It's actually nice, guys. I like it. Ew. Okay, so next one.
Nervous up there.
Pro Mate. I'm gonna put powder right now. Ooh. So I'm gonna use this
Buffer brush. That's
buffer brush, he said. I like your eyebrows. Don't talk because I'm brushing. I know how to make up now. May eyeliner dito.
Ay na mga eyeliner!
Eyeliner! Sos!
Oh my god, this is really my worst nightmare.
So I'm gonna find an eyeliner because my eyeliner is the best thing that I want to do.
Oh my god, you're so unfair!
What is... If there's no eyeliner, I'm gonna use the eyebrow. There's no eyeliner. Oh my god. So I'm gonna use this instead.
No! Di ba na pwede eh?
You can just erase it.
Just raise it.
Eyeliner.
Using the eyebrow pencil.
Magbaro ko eyeliner sa ubos, be. Di gigaw mo. Sagot. To be continued. So, next thing I'll do, I'm gonna put eyeliner in her eyelids. Come here now, girl. Come here. Uy.
Uy! Diyaman ka, uy. Dako na kayo na!
Look, guys. I don't know how. It's so ugly. So I think we're done with the eyeliner and their lap. Oh my god, it's so beautiful! It's my first time, but it's so beautiful. Ikaw beautiful sa...
Don't say anything. Uy, dako na kayo na bilab ha!
Look at your eyeliner. Oh,
I don't wanna see.
oh my first time.
Ay, nabutang niya eh! Niabot na dira ka sa kuwan gani eyelid.
Okay, we're done.
Diyan, pag-lipstick!
Ay, wala pa di. Oh my god, her teeth! I can't see, it's so dark. Ah! It went in her. Oh my god! There has electricity now.
Sama na, uy.
I think we're done with our party makeup. This is for my party makeup. That's my tutorial for my party.
So this is the last look. Ako na mag-last look.
So this is the last look. This is the last look. She still looks so ugly. You're so ugly. Oh my god, you're so ugly. And this is her makeup artist.
Ew, bo!
so ugly. There's a lot of pimple. So this is her reaction. This is her first look.
Miming.
Yeah. Oh my god.
I'm so pretty.
Ew. The eyeliner looks bad.
I like her left, but her right is so disgusting.
Look at that. Ugly. Look at that. Bye guys. So make sure to like and subscribe, and don't forget to click the notification bell for more videos. Peace up, y'all.